wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 8 best dowel jigs. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 8, created by a 70-year-old manufacturer of woodworking tools, the wolfcraft 4641404 is an affordable yet highly reliable option. It offers a fence guide that lets you build various types of joint with ease and allows for simple front-to-back depth adjustments. It's made from high-impact plastic in an orange color that makes it easy to spot. However, note that it's only for joining thinner materials. At number 7, the cheery red evwoge Precise is sure to stand out on your tool bench, and it's a viable selection for anyone who prefers working with metric units. It's suitable for holding boards between 17 and 50 millimeters thick and features a sturdy anodized aluminum body. It includes a carrying case and is an extremely solid construction, but it doesn't come with a user manual. Coming in at number 6 on our list. If you work with hefty pieces of wood, the Eagle America Wide Capacity might be your best choice, as it's compatible with materials up to 6 inches thick. With a tough metal body, it's great for miter, butt and edge joints, and is also suitable as a mortising guide. It's made from hardened steel components, and is also available in multi-packs. However, the instructions are not the clearest. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Dowel Jigs, or simply click beneath this video. At number 5, the low-priced wolfcraft 3751405 just might deliver the most bang for your buck, as it includes 2 jigs. They boast a compact, simple design coupled with a durable aluminum build, with multiple guide holes to help you get the job done quickly. These are backed by a 5-year warranty and feature rugged steel bushings, but they lack a self-centering system. Halfway up our list at number 4, the milescraft 1309 kit allows you to create corner, edge or surface joints quickly and accurately, and its fluted dowel pins add strength to your joint boards. It comes in a compartmentalized storage case with brad point bits, glue, an Allen wrench, and more. It includes an adjustable fence for alignment and is good value for the price. However, it doesn't have a clamping mechanism. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the self-centering Task Premium ensures accurate drilling every time on materials of all shapes, including rounded pieces. It's machine engineered for precision and comes equipped with 6 bushings that will accommodate a wide range of bit sizes. It's resistant to corrosion and heavy duty and built to last in the USA. At number 2, the Dowl-it 1000 boasts a tried-and-true design that's been around for more than half a century, with a solid steel block that's precision-hardened for a long life. It tightens like a vise thanks to a large clamping screw and rugged aluminum sides. It opens to a 2-inch width and offers 6 drill hole sizes. There are no loose parts to get lost. And taking the top spot on our list, the rockler 3/8 kit is designed to center holes on 3/4 inch thick stock, making it a suitable option for smaller scale carpentry projects. Its transparency ensures a simple setup, as it gives you a full view of the 2 pieces of wood you're working to join. It includes a durable drill guide and a convenient opening for wall hanging. It's a budget-friendly choice. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Dowel Jigs, or simply click beneath this video.